Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze, and today I'll be showing off this Lasko Model 3733 box fan. I got this from Zach. He decided to stop making YouTube videos and deleted his channel or something, so he doesn't have a major presence on YouTube anymore, so I don't really have a channel to mention, but shout out to Zach, I guess. This is the one that he picked up. I think this came from a thrift store, if I remember right. It's old enough to have the D-blade on it. I'm a bit tired, so... yeah, fan's in really good condition. The only issue is there's a little spot up here where, like, something hit the top of it and kind of burned it. Of course, it has to have the Marco motor. This larger motor struts. See if I can get a date on here. 1998 for 99, which is a bit early for one of the ones with the oval badge here, and not the one in the upper corner like the 3723 that I showed earlier. So we'll get this fired up. It's really cold. This one tends to run slow when it's cold. I also have the feet for this. It's not present. They're in the car somewhere, but here's low. Really slow. Let's turn off this dehumidifier. And we'll try this again. Yeah, I'm not sure if the motor on this one's spoiled or not. That buzzing noise is one of the fluorescent light fixtures. Now the motor on this one I don't believe is spoiled. It is very warped and out of balance. It does shake really bad. Oh yeah, she's stiff. Yet not at the same time. Blade's out of balance. This one has a really nice motor sound to it. So, being this is a 98 model, or 99, this would most likely be the first year of Lasko using this round badge on the 3733. Back, I believe, the 70s, on their 3715 models or whatever, or 3713 or 3710 models, they had a large oval emblem. Those are just unobtainium, so good luck finding one. I'd like to get one at some point. So this is going to take its sweet time to get up to speed, so we'll probably need some oil. I'm not sure if it's just doing that because of how cold it is, but yeah. This thing is still speeding up, so this isn't even full speed on one of these. I'm pretty sure the motor in it just needs to heat up, and then once it heats up, it runs fine. And standing back here, it moves a ton of air. This is definitely better than the 3723 I showed, since the blades are not nearly as warped as that one, and also not covered in a bunch of dust. Now, Zach person I got this from. He's not a fan collector, but he does have a large collection of older fans, and it's the same reason of why I have a whole bunch of vacuum cleaners. Older fans are getting hard to find, so you just pick them up, and they work better than the modern junk that you have today, and you couldn't use another fan, so there's that. I think it's at full speed now. It's moving a ton of air. These are really good fans. People like to bash these because it's Lasko 3733 and they just think these things are awful, which they're not. They're not the best. It's an economy product, so you'll have to take that into consideration. But I think these are excellent fans. Drop it down to low. Don't know where that rattle's coming from. I don't know where to rattle. That rattle is like mysterious. Like I don't know where it's from. There's medium. I was going to bring this one with me on vacation, but I probably will bring the next fan I show just because that rattle is kind of annoying. Maybe it's an easy fix. Drop it down to low, get some readings off of it. It has a power factor of 7.74, which is standard with it being a shaded pole motor. 0.95 amps and 87 watts. We go up to medium speed. 1.24 amps and 116 watts. Definitely shakes. 1.75 amps. 1.73 actually went down. And 163 watts. Check the power factor again, still 7.6. Yeah, pretty good. Let's see what the spin down is like. Do you want to figure out what's making that rattle noise? Because I would much rather bring this one than the other fan. Bearings seem to be just fine. The blade is crazy out of balance, though. Get around to the back side. There's that motor, Marco motor. And we'll get up close to it so you can get some startup sounds, because it sounds amazing. It has really nice startup sounds. Because it's a Marco motor. They sound great. So, do low speed. I think this wiring here might be that rattle. Because on these newer ones, they don't have the clips. The older ones, they'd have these clips that go over top of these. And then they switched over to just using glue, which they still do to this day, which I don't like the glue. It's so cheap. It might literally just be the grill up against these back struts. I wonder if the grill was put on the wrong way, if it's put on backwards. I don't know. I guess I could flip it around and see what happens. See if that changes anything. I don't know if it would or not, but Well, no, this is the only way it can go, because that's where the cord cutout is. Only does that on certain speeds. Do medium now. We'll do low speed one more time. It's got to be it hitting this right over here. I'm gonna probably back it off like this and put like some paper here, and it'd be just fine. Like just in between, like on this side. It's definitely this side, the one with the wires. Definitely not a bad fan. Because once it warms up, it runs nice and free. Guard has dust on it because it was in a garage that someone was welding in, so it's going to be a bit dusty. I think this will be the fan that comes with me on vacation. Pretty sure. And this one's going to be next.